Really, who has heard of TechCred? Has anyone utilized TechCred? Oh, there's a lot of people have used it, and that's really awesome. That's probably the most people to raise a hand when I ask that question I've ever seen. So we've got good folks in the room who can ask your peers what TechCred is, and I'm done. No, really, we heard the lieutenant governor yesterday mention TechCred, and how manufacturing is one of the #1 industries that's utilizing this. And this is specific to Ohio. Basically, what it is there are, I think, more than 400 different programs where if someone takes that program, they're a Ohio resident and an Ohio employee, you can get paid to send that person to training, to upskill them, or to onboard a new person. So please go get your money and train your people. You know, we hear in a lot of feedback that training is why people stay, that investment is why people stay, and that's your money that you can get to train and invest your people, and that's going to help you retain them.